Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious vegan banana bread. We will focus on simple substitutions that make this classic treat plant-based and incredibly moist. You will learn how to swap traditional ingredients for their vegan counterparts, ensuring a perfect loaf every time. Get ready to bake a delightful, compassionate dessert that everyone will love. First, let's prepare our dry ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then, add 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar. This step ensures all the leavening agents and flavors are evenly distributed throughout the mixture, which is crucial for a consistent texture in your finished banana bread. Now for the wet ingredients. Mash 3 very ripe bananas in a separate bowl until they are mostly smooth. Then, stir in 1/3 cup of plant-based oil, 1/4 cup of plant milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Finally, incorporate 1 flax egg, made from 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed mixed with 3 tablespoons of water, to act as our binder. Gently fold the wet ingredients into the dry mixture until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Pour the batter into a greased 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. Bake your banana bread in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 55 to 65 minutes. A toothpick inserted into the center should come out clean. Let it cool completely before slicing and enjoying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.